C and parentheses, and under parentheses I put elements separated by commas. Yeah, that's why. And I can just click Control Enter to run it, and I will get our vector or our variable also in the environment. Let's, for instance, you have a vector x and y, and it is a long vector. You don't know how many elements it has. You can read it in here in the environment. This 7 here says that in x there is 7 elements, and this 5 here says that in y there is 5 elements. But if you don't have it there, you can just type length x, and if you type length x and Control Enter, you will get your 7 here. Or if you type length y here, then you will get your 5 here, which means that our vector y have 5 elements. That's how you can create vectors in R. So the other thing that someone needs to know is how to remove this variable x or y from the environment without cleaning all the variables defined in our environment. How do you do that? It's just typing the command rm and parentheses, and inside the parentheses you add the variable that you want to remove from the environment. Let's say that I want to remove x there. Then I type x there, then Control Enter. You see, the variable x is no longer in our environment. If you want to clean y, you just type y there, then y is no longer there. Yeah. And if you want to know a list of variables that you have in your environment pane, you just type the as function and parentheses and Control Enter. You see here it says that character 0. Character 0. It means that we don't have any variable defined here in the environment pane. But for instance, let's take back our variable x there. Control Enter x and y. We have 2 variables there, x and y. And if now I type this ls and Control Enter, I will have a list of all the variables that I have in our environment, a list of x and y, which means that our R now knows only 2 variables in our environment, x and y. Yeah. And if you want to delete all the variables at the same time, like here I have been deleting one by one, but let's say that you want to delete all of them. How do you do that? You just type the command lm and parentheses and list, and the list equal list equal ls. Yeah. It's like, it means that the list of the variables that you want to clean is all the variables, because the command ls, as I have shown you here, the ls shows all the variables that you have in your environment. So then this rm and list equal ls will delete all the variables you have here in this environment pane. If we click Control Enter, see, then our environment pane is empty. So that's how we can enter variables, vectors in this now in environment, and then you can clean or delete them from the environment to clean your R, the memory of R. That's it. So guys, this is the end of today's video, and please come to the next class, because I have a series of things a must know for you in R for statistical learning. Welcome to next class and hope to see you. Don't miss.